My name is Rick Easton. I am a baker and co-owner of Sub Rosa Bread.
For why you go?
Yeah, what we do is 4 trays.
I don't believe Sub Rosa Bread could be a one-man job. Because I think what we do is ridiculous. I think, anything that involves over 24 hours of straight work, that's crazy. But it is what we do. It's like the choice we make. It's how we have to do what we do right now. But doing it together is what makes it possible. The 2 paddles behind us were carved by our friend Martine from a log with a kitchen knife. And we have the Latin sensitivus and vigilantius for sensitivity and vigilance. Because those are the kind of, as we've done this and learned more through the school of trial and error, they're the 2 most important values that we take with us into each night of baking. There's a lot of lessons. I think that there's to be learned in bread. I think that it takes sensitivity, it takes vigilance, it takes a discipline, a focus, it takes care. And I think these are all qualities that I hope I express in my daily life. I certainly fall short quite a bit. And of course, we don't always make perfect bread either, but I think it's part of it's that striving. And I think that matters a lot. Bread is civilization itself. For me, you can't eat a meal without bread. I mean, food is something that you eat with bread. Like, you sit down to a meal and there's no bread on the table. It's like, how do you eat? It's a utensil. I mean, it's everything. It's like the most basic and essential way of feeding someone. I mean, bread. It's like this absolute necessity, this staple food stuff. And it's pure. And it's simple. And to bake the way we bake, to only use wild yeast. It's naturally leavened bread, and to bake it in a wood-fired oven. This is the same way that bread has been baked since the dawn of bread baking. We're going back to like Egypt 6,000 years ago, and what we're doing isn't that different. That feels pretty good to me.